Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can record your computer's screen with the webcam. I mean to say, if you want to record a tutorial video, you can show your computer's screen and your video at the same time. To do that, you need to go to this URL. You can find the URL in the video description as well. Open the URL in Google Chrome. Please use Google Chrome because other browsers may not support. Once you're on this page, you will be asked to allow permission for microphone and camera. You have to click on allow. Now you can click on start button. Once I do that, I will be asked to choose an option. You can either record entire screen or a window of any app or a Chrome tab. I will try recording entire screen and click on this window and then click on share option. Once you do that, it will start recording. Now you can see my entire screen here and you can see me as well. Once you are done with the recording, you can click on stop and save option. Once you do that, it will be saved as WebM format. This format can be uploaded on YouTube directly without converting it to MP4. This format will not open in any browser, in any video player. It only supports in Google Chrome, or you can open with VLC player. Once you click on this video, it will open in Google Chrome. Start recording. Now you can see my entire it is playing within Google Chrome, and you can see me as well. If it doesn't work, you can go to your file and choose to open with Google Chrome. Now the recording has started. As you can see the entire screen, and that's it. This is how you record your entire screen. It should also work in other browser, like let's try opening with Firefox if it works. Yes, it works with Firefox as well. Now the recording has started. As you can see the entire. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.